watched as the Lamb opened the fifth seal, I saw the souls of those who had been slain
because of the word of God.
and their testimony. They called out, "How long, God, will you judge the inhabitants of the earth, avenge our blood?" When the Lamb opened the sixth seal, there was a great earthquake. The sun turned black.